Hi everyone, Linda Reed-Enever, and welcome back to the back end of Business. I've been asked, how do we set up our group rules and our group conversations when it comes to setting your group? And if you haven't been in your group for a while, you maybe don't know where, but our group rules sit down the bottom here in the little sidebar of our admin tab. And this is where you can create rules that work for you and your community. They don't have to be as specific as ours, but we've got things about showing respect, reading and following our guidelines in the pinned announcement, which is more of the guidelines about how our community runs. We talk about the common things that we're going to maybe reject a post for, like promotion is limited and respect for the admin team, and the no post dumping rules that we have with inside the group here that makes things really clear along the way. So we basically have set it up that people, look at that, they read and they agree to the group rules as part of their application process. The other section that we have for our group is we have our group questions, okay? So our group rules are part of the application process, but we also have our membership questions. And these membership questions allow us to vet our members. And they really haven't changed much in the 10 years of running the group. We want to know who they are and their business. We want to know why they would like to join the community, and we like to know where they're based because that gives us an idea about the time zones. And then we've asked our people to agree to the group rules. Your questions don't have to be huge, but they are a good way of you being able to get some more detail from the people joining your community and your Facebook group. So that covers another question that I've been asked in the Ask Linda series. Where do I find my group rules, and where do I find my membership questions so that I can make sure that they're working and functioning towards the group? If you want to dive in to how we make our Facebook group run and get some tips and tricks along the way, head to the AI Async and Automation Hub, where we've got our workflows, our templates, and things that you can do to help plan and run your Facebook group.